CYBRA and SATO are proud to bring you Duplex Label Printing. Duplex Label Printing is part of CYBRA's family of green supply chain solutions. Go green and save green. By printing on both sides of your shipping labels, you can cut your printing costs in half while completely eliminating mismatched forms mistakes. Double the usefulness of your shipping labels by taking advantage of the flip side for return labels, packing slips, or invoices. How? MarkMagic software by CYBRA, along with SATO's Duplex Label Printer, put both sides of your labels to use. Your shipping label can now have a packing slip on its back instead of inside the package, so that the recipient can see the list of contents before opening up your package. Or your shipping label could have a return label on the opposite side, making returns super simple and error-free. Who benefits? Your customer, the earth, and your bottom line. Or how about printing the associated invoice on the back of your shipping label? Your customer gets to see exactly what they ordered and what they paid. Say good riddance to expensive and labor-intensive packing list enclosed pouches. Eliminate packing and shipping errors caused by mismatched labels and shipping documents. And with MarkMagic, you can design, maintain, and update your shipping labels or packing slips with ease. Design your forms and labels just as you need them. MarkMagic connects with your printer, so you can print on demand without slowing down your supply chain. MarkMagic's Duplex Label Printing solution, an effective way to make your printing economical and eco-friendly. Rely on CYBRA and SATO to decrease your shipping costs while reducing your environmental footprint. Because with MarkMagic, you win. Check out MarkMagic Duplex Label Printing for free. Contact us today to learn more about how CYBRA's green supply chain solutions can make a difference in your organization.